Hello everyone. Today we will discuss exercise 7.4 question number 10. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60% or more marks. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? Let us find out the solution of this problem. Let us find for class A. This is for class A. Class A. Total number of students. Total number of students. Total number of students is equal to how many? 25. 20 passed with 60% or more marks. Student first. Students passed with 60% or more marks equal to 20, right? Therefore fraction of students passed with 60, therefore fraction of students passed with 60% or more marks is equal to total students is 25 and number of student passed is 20, right? If we change it in a lowest term, 5 4 is 20 and 5 5 is 25, the fraction is 4 by 5, right? Now for class B, for class B total number of students total number of students total number of students is equal to 30 students, 30 students, and student passed students passed with 60% or more marks is equal to how many? 24, right? Therefore fraction of student passed with 60% or more marks is 24 by 30. This is the fraction of students who passed with 60% or more marks. Total number of students is 30 and number is passed is 24. If we change into lowest term, 6 4 is 24 and 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30, that is 4 by 5. In both the cases, we are finding that the fraction of student passed with 60% or more marks is 4 by 5. Here see, this is 4 by 5. The question was, in which class was a greater fraction of student getting with 60% or more marks? The answer will be both the classes. Both the classes both the classes have equal fractions, have equal fraction of students who passed with 60% or more marks, with 60% or more marks. Right? Let us repeat once again. In a class of students, in a class of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. Therefore, in class A, total number of students is 25. Student passed with 60% or more marks is 20. Therefore, fraction of students who passed with 60% or more marks is 20 by 25, that is the fraction is 4 by 5. For class B, total number of students is 30 and students who passed with 60% or more marks is 24. Therefore, fraction of students who passed with 60% or more marks is 24 by 30, 4 by 5. Here you see that both the fractions are same. It is 4 by 5, it is also 4 by 5. Therefore, you can say that both the classes have equal fraction of students who passed with 60% or more marks.